What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video. Halloween may be over, but we'll be starting to run into Christmas. So I just want to show you this nice cocktail. It's a nice classic gin, and I just want to show you this lemon gin that I bought. So it only seems right that I make a lemon gin and tonic. So what you want to do, guys, is get your balloon glass and fill it with ice. What we're going to do next is putting our lemon slices into the balloon glass now. So it's fairly simple. So all we're doing is just making room, really, just make it nice and presentable for the cocktail. So when I make a classic gin tea, guys, I like to put in 60 ml of gin. So I will do that again with the Sicilian gin. So what I'll be doing is the Sicilian lemon gin from Gordon's. It's really nice and I really recommend it. The thing that really makes a gin and tonic, guys, is the quality of the tonic water. If you don't like tonic water, you use lemonade or soda water, whatever your preference is. So I know it's not for everyone. It is a unique taste with the bitterness of the tonic water, but I like it. And it makes all the difference of a gin tea, the quality of the tonic or lemonade. Now what I'm going to do now is just spread the lemon slices out. There we go. So there it is, your classic lemon gin and tonic. So get a straw and let's taste this bad boy. How does it taste? Oh, beautiful. Like with any gin and tonic, like I said, it's the quality of the tonic water. You just can't go wrong with Fever Tree. I just love Fever Tree. It's a nice quality tonic water, nice and crisp, and it's just beautiful. I really rate it. If you do like your tonic, go for Fever Tree. There's not many they can beat it with. It's just so crisp and refreshing. It's a beautiful sour taste. I just love it. Because there with a nice zesty taste with it, with the lemon gin. It's beautiful. Really, really like it. Absolutely beautiful, that is. I just like the simplicity of the gin tea. I'd give that a banging 9 out of 10. I just love my gin teas. I always have a nice bitter taste, but nice and crisp with a nice zesty taste of the lemon. Absolutely perfect, beautiful. I really recommend it. But do give me your thoughts in the comments below, guys. What is your favourite go-to gin and tonic? What do you like to have yours with? Let me know in the comments below. What do you like? How do you like your gin tea? But I've been Mixed, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed for more cocktail videos like this. As my next cocktail video, guys, will be my take on the weekend martini. As I've been experimenting over the last week, and I think I finally got it right from the Blackpool Bistros. I finally got the cocktail recipe right. It is a quality gin cocktail, and I can't wait to show you guys that one next. It's absolutely beautiful, so do stick around. But I do appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys for the weekend martini. Cheers.